Hi everybody, Steve Peterson here at Phillips Chevrolet, standing outside. It's a little chilly out. I just got some great new customers from Kankakee, Illinois. They purchased their first used vehicle, 2009 Impala. Could you tell the public how your experience was here with me?
It was great. It was good, fair.
You didn't have no credit and you got a new car.
Everything worked out, payments is in your budget, and everything for you.
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. You heard it from straight from the customer's mouth. Come see us here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Steve Peterson, everybody. Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.